What is going on YouTube? My name is Quis the Tech Guru, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys the best settings for OBS in 2019 right now. We're talking 1080p 60 frames per second videos, and yeah, let's get into this video. First, what you want to do is go down to File, Settings. Now personally, general doesn't mean anything. You can just keep it default settings. Output, you want to go down to Output, Recording tab. Now for recording path, you can set this to whatever you want. For me personally, I have like a special folder for my tutorials. Now we'll go down to recording format. You want to change it to MP4. Encoder, I usually use 264, but for you, you may have a NVIDIA encoder or AMD. So whatever one you have, you can pick. But if you don't have none of those options, you can obviously choose 264 because that's for all computers. Now for the rescale output, this honestly doesn't matter, like unless you're recording a 1080p screen, but then you want your video to be a 720. That's what the rescale output for, but you don't really need that. So now you head over down to rate control, change that to CBR, and now the important part, bitrate. Like bitrate depends on your computer. For me, my computer loves 2500, but your computer may love 10,000 or 50,000 at most. So I keep mine at 25 because that's what my computer loves. Keyframe 0. CPU usage, you can set this as ultra fast, but I keep it at very fast. Profile and tune, just keep those to none. Let's head over to the next section, audio. So to find your sample rate for audio, I'm gonna head over to your speaker, sounds, playback devices, speakers. It's like this is my main one, my main headset I'm using right now. Right click, properties, advanced, and whatever this number is right here is your sample rate. I'm gonna close these. I'm gonna head over to channels. I keep it at stereo because I don't really mess with that because I don't want to mess up anything, so just keep it on stereo. Now for a desktop audio, you can put those to your speakers, or you can put that to your actual headphones that you're using to record. And for mic, you can use it for, like, you can put your mic headset in this area, or if you have like a Blue Yeti or a Blue Snowball, you can obviously put that to this one. So for me, it's not going to show because I'm actually recording using OBS, showing you guys these settings. So yeah, head over to video. Now the base resolution 1080p, the output resolution 1080p, the downscale filter, you want to put this to the very last option. And for the FPS, of course, you want to put it to 60 frames per second. And now for our final tab, advanced. So here's the part where you guys have to really pay attention. So now general, you want to put this to above normal. Video, renderer, you keep this at Direct 3D 11. But if you go up higher, you can. Color format, NV12. The color space, I put it to 709, and the color range, I put it to full. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Because the rest of these settings are just default settings. You hit apply, okay, and you should not be running at 1080p 60 frames and whatever you want to do. And if you guys like this video, hit that like and that subscribe button. Also comment down below what else videos you guys want me to do on my channel. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.
Thank you.